Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Chris, and today I'm going to be talking about the Giantex 38-inch rebounder trampoline with this very nice blue padding. So first up, it's a 38-inch trampoline. The company Giantex, they do make larger ones and smaller ones. I just chose this one because it's a perfect size. We got it for my sister, who at the time was very young, so she could use this trampoline indoors because we didn't have enough space outside before to get an actual big trampoline. So this was the nice alternative we got for her, basically. One cool thing I like about this trampoline right off the bat that I haven't noticed is this padding. This padding is very nice. It has this latex feel. I don't know for sure if it's latex, but it definitely feels like latex. Padding is this trampoline. We all know the trampoline padding. That's pretty much the same, but this latex is really nice, soft, squishy. Another thing I also like are these little stands. This rubber stand with the metal that comes off. It's attachable and detachable. To detach, you just twist this way. To attach, you just attach that way. And then there's the back of trampoline, what it looks like. It's very nice. There's some minor damages, as I've owned this trampoline for over a year and a half now, and while it hasn't been used vigorously, it has been used quite enough, and a lot of balls have been thrown at it because it bounces back, so it's a lot been used for fun and leisure. It's very nice, very nice. Now, just to compare the size of it, I'm actually going to bring this over to my lawnmower, just to compare, just for a size comparison of how it actually is. So it's definitely half the size of the lawnmower, and it's quite high too. It's about as high as that plant right there off the ground, so maybe a foot off the ground. It's very good for bouncing. I've bounced on this before, and I'm 6 feet and weigh 155 pounds, and I've jumped on this thing before, so this could handle anyone. Most people generally, you would be covered by the trampoline. And as far as the stitching is also very well done. The stitching has never fallen off or anything, never came loose. It's very robust, flexible, which is obviously good for a trampoline because you don't want it not to be, so it actually, when you jump, it's more tailored for the kind of pressure you apply, and it's more suited for you, and which makes it more customizable in the long run. Of course. Another thing, one downside I shall say though is if you don't get the right amount on all of these stands, it has this weird off balance. It's barely noticeable, but see, it's a little bit off the ground, and this is a flat surface, so it definitely should not do that, and that's only because of the way you twist it. You actually have to twist everything more accurately to get it to be leveled out. That's one thing I don't really like about the trampoline. Another thing is, while it is made in China, trampoline is made in China, it's just very badly made, even for something that's made in China. In terms of the rubber that's here and then the stitching, I like how it's made, but yeah, I just don't like how easy it is for everything to come off. Everything comes off so easily. Everything breaks so easily. As here too, like look at the rubber on this. This should not happen, but yet it's happening. Another thing is on the holes here. See how it just sticks out? It's just aesthetically not pleasing. And then it also has these latches. I don't know what they are for, nor did I get any insight, but I feel like that should have been dealt with better, so you don't see that. It's just visually, it's not attractive. And while yes, you're not going to be looking at the back side, I think they should still fix it as to make it a great quality product overall, so that everyone can be happy. Because as much as I love it, those things really put me on the fence about it as to buying it, as the product itself. So that was my review. Hopefully, okay, everyone, thank you for watching. Hopefully I gave you some good insight. Bye bye.